आप कितने भी केपेबल हो रूम में, अगर आप बात ही नहीं कर सकते किसी से या आप क्लाइंट को सेल नहीं कर सकते उनके साथ, there's no use developing a product which might be changing the world unless and until you can make them believe it changes the world.
Are international students really wishing to upskill themselves?
For a lot of international students and immigrants who are coming in, right, we come from different cultures, different countries where the idea and the focus is very different than what it is here, right? And वो यहाँ में चीज़ कभी-कभी realize नहीं होती. Like for example, like back home, इंसान की certifications are considered as an assessment factor or as a criteria of assessment when thinking about if someone's upskilling themselves or not. But in Canada, upskilling doesn't mean getting certification after certification. कि मुझे realize वो education is not about reading a textbook. Education is about learning skill sets that apply every single day. Networking is when you are willing to have mutual exchange of value with the other person over a longer period of time. That's why we say your network is your net worth, right? The people you know, the kind of access to resources and access to decision-making rooms that they have dictates what you have as well.
So, Ritika,
Yes.
how has your day been? कैसा रहा दिन?
Day busy tha. A lot of work. Honestly, a little bit tired, but I'm excited for this podcast. So I'm excited to get into like some knowledgeable and insightful conversations. But
That's
so thank
lovely.
you for having me. How's your day been?
First of all, thank you very much for accepting our invitation.
No.
It was
I
an
was
honor.
telling you this before also, right? Like I think for people like yourself who are doing such amazing work, having such amazing initiatives being put out and you're going full time on it as well, I think the least I can do is be a part of it and contribute and add value.
So, I just want you to tell, Redefined जहाँ तक मुझे पता लगा, Redefined is helping international students to sum up,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
It's like a one-stop solution international students के लिए.
That's what we're aiming for.
Yeah.
Yes.
So, ये definition मुझे पता लगी.
Okay.
आपकी पूरी वेबसाइट, profiles, after seeing everything.
Yeah.
जॉब का इशू मेजर इशू है आई थिंक
Yeah.
अभी जो आप लोग कैटर कर रहे हो, और एक स्किल्स का इशू मेजर इशू है.
Yes.
आर इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट्स रियली विशिंग टू अपस्किल देमसेल्फ?
That is a great question. We should ask them. But no, I think they are, but it's not in the right ways. So what I mean by that is like for a lot of international students and immigrants who are coming in, right? We come from different cultures, different countries where the idea and the focus is very different than what it is here, right? And वो यहाँ में चीज़ कभी-कभी realize नहीं होती. Like for example, like back home, इंसान की certifications are considered as an assessment factor or as a criteria of assessment when thinking about if someone's upskilling themselves or not. But in Canada, upskilling doesn't mean getting certification after certification कि Adobe का ये कर लिया, वो कर लिया, Gen AI, right? LinkedIn पे courses कर लिए, right? That's not upskilling. Upskilling is more around soft skill upskilling, जो ज़्यादा priority है इधर compared to back home, right?
Now, first of all, before going deep, मैं आपसे ये पूछूंगा कि सॉफ्ट स्किल होती क्या है? What do you define as soft skill?
Very good question. I think soft skill is more like day-to-day skill sets that makes us human. Something that AI I don't think can replace, right? So things like communication, things like problem solving, critical thinking. Those are more soft skills. जो काफी हद तक are being overlooked right now, both in institutions overall, whether it be high schools or universities. So those is what I would count as soft skills, right?
और इस पे I think students are focusing the least, if I say.
Yes, yeah. क्योंकि it goes back to the same thing, right? अगर आप पूरी Canadian student audience को देखो, right? Most Canadian students will be focusing on those things because their institutions are making it an important part of their curriculum, right? Not to the extent it should be, but थोड़ा तो करते ही हैं. But for a lot of us as immigrants and international students who are coming in, क्योंकि हम different countries और cultures से आते हैं, जैसे मैं तो इंडिया से हूँ, right? इंडिया में specifically there's a lot of focus on rote learning, right? Because you need to make X percentage. Your percentage or your grade out of 100 is considered as your learning in that course. बट जिसको 99% मिला, ज़रूरी नहीं कि वही लाइफ में सबसे आगे जाएगा और उन्होंने ही सबसे ज़्यादा लर्निंग की है, राइट? द रीज़न टुडे यू आर सीइंग पीपल जिन्होंने एजुकेशन भी नहीं की बी द टॉप मिलियनेयर्स एंड बिलियनेयर्स आउट देयर इज व्हाई, राइट? क्योंकि एट द एंड ऑफ द डे वी ऑल आर ह्यूमन. अगर आपको किसी से के साथ अगर आप बैठ के कॉन्वर्सेशन नहीं कर सकते इफेक्टिवली, राइट, और स्ट्रेटेजिकली, व्हाट्स द पॉइंट ऑफ यू हैविंग थाउजेंड्स ऑफ सर्टिफिकेशंस, राइट? आप कितने भी केपेबल हो रूम में, अगर आप बात ही नहीं कर सकते किसी से, या आप एक क्लाइंट को सेल नहीं कर सकते उनके साथ, there's no use developing a product which might be changing the world unless and until you can make them believe it changes the world, right?
Again,
And that comes down to communication.
आप प्रोडक्ट तो बाद में सेल करोगे, प्रोडक्ट या सर्विस. आई थिंक फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू नीड टू सेल योरसेल्फ.
Yeah.
बेसिकली जॉब इज सेलिंग योर स्किल्स, सेलिंग योरसेल्फ. और मोस्टली स्टूडेंट्स अपने आप को किस चीज में सेल कर रहे हैं? टिम,
Yeah.
लाइक द लीस्ट वेज जॉब्स पॉसिबल, जहाँ पे कोई स्किल रिक्वायर्ड नहीं है, कोई भी कर सकता है उसको.
नहीं, वो बेच भी नहीं रहे ना उधर. उनको बोला गया है कि आप जब कनाडा पहुंचो, ये प्रोसेस है हर इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट का, कि आप पहुंचो, आप 1-2 साल पार्ट टाइम जॉब्स करो और फिर फुल टाइम ढूंढो ग्रेजुएशन के बाद. ये ऐसे लगता है पट्टी पढ़ाई गई है जैसे सबको आते हुए, कि ऐसे ही प्रोसेस दिखेगी. एंड दैट्स व्हाई यू सी एवरीवन फॉलोइंग द सेम प्रोसेस एवरी सिंगल टाइम.
चलो एक ब्रेक डाउन करते हैं.
हाँ.
एक इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट लैंड होता है,
हम्म.
ठीक है, लेट्स से समवन लैंड्स टू कनाडा. आपका पहला सजेशन क्या होगा?
आई थिंक लैंड तो छोड़ो, वो तो बाद बहुत लेट हो गया.
अच्छा.
मेरा तो पॉइंट है बिफोर इवन लैंडिंग,
Okay.
राइट? आई थिंक एट लीस्ट as soon as you know you want to move abroad, the first thing is before you even make a decision कि अच्छा मुझे जाना ही जाना है abroad बोलने से अच्छा decide what country specifically and why. ये नहीं कि कनाडा जाना है क्योंकि ज़्यादा पंजाबीज हैं उधर, ये नहीं जाना है कनाडा क्योंकि मेरे रिलेटिव रहते हैं उधर, उनके साथ हाउसिंग सिचुएशन हो जाएगी, राइट? इट्स मोर अबाउट अंडरस्टैंडिंग, अच्छा मुझे जो फ्यूचर में जॉब करना है, या मुझे जो भी इंसान बनना है इन द फ्यूचर, whoever that person is, whether you are the CEO of a company making X dollars, helping X people, वो जो भी आपका end goal है, does that particular country provide you with either opportunities, access to resources or anything that will align with that end goal?
Amazing.
If it does not, first of all, that shouldn't come up only कि मुझे abroad जाना है, क्योंकि अगर it's not adding value to that end goal, no use, right? Why invest the dollars and go through so much inconvenience, stay away from your parents for so long, ये सब वो सब, go through loneliness and so much more other issues, right? Just क्योंकि लोग कहते हैं कि कनाडा जाओ, better education है या better future opportunities हैं. It's not the same thing. इंडिया में भी पहले लोग कहते थे बॉम्बे is the city of dreams, right? पर काफी लोग इस ड्रीम्स तो मर रही हैं उधर, राइट? सो आई थिंक लाइक टुडे सक्सेस हैज बिकम वेरी फ्लेक्सिबल. एनीवन, एनीवेयर, no matter what background, context, color of your skin, accent you come from, you can be successful. Your location does not matter, your geographical anything does not matter.
आपने एक चीज बोली,
हाँ.
एजुकेशन अगर अच्छी है,
हाँ.
क्या एजुकेशन वाकई अच्छी है
कनाडा में आप पूछ रहे हो?
कहीं भी?
नहीं, एजुकेशन ओवरऑल इज फॉल्टी. आई एम तो अगेंस्ट द आइडिया ऑफ एजुकेशन राइट नाउ, राइट?
सो व्हाट इज योर आइडिया ऑफ एजुकेशन?
Education is where you're learning. Learning does not quantify with me getting a certain grade out of 100, right? क्योंकि वो तो मैं रट्टा मार के भी सीख सकती हूँ, right? 10th grade में I got a 96%. But I honestly tell you, after my 10th board exam, if you picked up any textbook and you asked me, I knew nothing about it. Why? I did all ratta, right? But in everyone's eyes, I was the smartest person in my class because I got 96%, right? That's the day I realized, oh, this is all just surface level things. तो उस दिन से after my 10th board exam, when I was the topper in my class, I stopped getting so focused on grades क्योंकि मुझे realize हो education is not about reading a textbook. Education is about learning skill sets that apply every single day. We teach students today about algebra, like trigonometry and this and that, which they're not using every day, right? इसलिए आप देखोगे even in North America, if you go to high schools, you'll find students scrolling through TikTok while the class is going on. Why is it? Students have the capability, but उनको motivation ही नहीं है क्योंकि आप उन्हें ऐसी चीज पढ़ा रहे हो जो उनके लिए applicable ही नहीं है, right? Today people want to be successful. A big part of being successful is making money. If you don't teach people how do you make money, people don't want to learn from you. As simple as that. Right?
Now I'll tell you. एक टाइम आया
हाँ.
जब लगा कि पैसा कहाँ है? पैसा है if you become engineer, doctor,
Yeah.
right?
पहले correct.
Right?
Yeah.
उसके बाद टाइम आया पैसा कहाँ है? In some other things.
Yes.
अब पैसा कहाँ है? Startups में फंडिंग उठाओ.
Yes.
Every person right now is doing startup. I'm not saying it's bad or
Yeah.
good.
Yeah.
पर एक वो है ना भेड़चाल. It's just trend.
Yes.
वो बन गया है और उसके बाद people are just following it.
Yeah.
Instead of seeing कि उनका पर्सनल बिहेवियर क्या है.
Yeah.
Now someone can not be wishing to be a CEO.
Yeah.
Maybe their
Absolutely.
character is not like a CEO.
Yeah.
Maybe they are a very good CA.
Yeah. नहीं, मेरा पॉइंट वो ये ना, आपको सक्सेस इज डिफरेंट फॉर डिफरेंट पीपल. देयर इजंट वन वे ऑफ गेटिंग टू सक्सेस, ऑब्वियसली, राइट. आप कहते बोलते हैं ना, इंडिया में आप चपरासी रह कर भी CEO बन सकते हो. इन अ वे यू कैन स्टार्ट योर ओन कंपनी, लाइक यू नो हाउ यू सेड दैट पर्सन स्टार्टेड क्लीनिंग इनिशियली हिमसेल्फ, started a cleaning company of his own, right? So I think anyone can be successful today. That's what I meant by success has become so accessible to anyone, anywhere across the world, because
Is
learning
success easy?
is all there. Once you're successful, it is easy, but I think getting to success is one of the most difficult things, right? For anyone. Again, I'm saying, see, and I don't mean hard work. I'm talking about a combination of smart and hard and consistent work, which is one of the most toughest things. Hard work तो हम सभी कर रहे हैं, right? क्योंकि हम hard work को hours में गिनते हैं, right? आप देखो, जो बंदा 8 घंटे काम कर रहा है every single day at a full-time job, plus they do other things in a day, right? On average, most people are working between 10 to 14 hours a day, right? That's the usual range.
In Canada.
In Canada, correct. Specifically. But उस range में, how you spend your time in those 10 to 14 hours is what dictates who you become, right? अगर आप international student के perspective से देखो, right? Most of them are spending on average 14 hours a day working, 12 to 14, not even 10, 12 to 14. Now, if a student is spending almost 8 hours just studying, right? The remaining 7-8 hours that they have left, they are doing just part-time jobs every single day, day in and day out. Let's assume that. वो स्टूडेंट की ग्रोथ, भले ही वो 14 आवर्स स्पेंड करे एवरी सिंगल डे, विल बी वेरी डिफरेंट इन टर्म्स ऑफ द आउटकम्स दे गेट, द काइंड ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटीज दे गेट एक्सेस टू विल बी वेरी डिफरेंट कंपेयर टू अनदर स्टूडेंट जो 6 घंटे पढ़ाई करता है, 4 घंटे नेटवर्किंग करता है, रिमेनिंग 4 से जितना भी मैथ बची है आपकी, उतना पार्ट टाइम जॉब्स करता है, राइट?
अच्छा,
वो एक डिफरेंस है, दोनों के आउटकम्स बहुत डिफरेंट होंगे.
अब नेटवर्किंग आप यूज कर रहे हो वर्ड, काफी लोगों को नेटवर्किंग का मतलब ये है कि आप फेसबुक ग्रुप में ऐड हो जाओ.
नहीं.
आप ये मुझे काफी लोगों को मैंने देखा है करते हुए. आप लिंक्डइन पे कईयों को बोल दो कि प्लीज एंडोर्स मी, या फिर आप लिंक्डइन ग्रुप्स पे ऐड हो जाओ. इज दैट नेटवर्किंग? व्हाट इज नेटवर्किंग?
द रीजन आई लाफ्ड, वो हो ही नहीं सकती नेटवर्किंग, राइट? क्योंकि नेटवर्किंग इज when you are willing to have mutual exchange of value with the other person over a longer period of time. Networking is relationship building, right? जो आप, जैसे आपका जो relationship अपने दोस्त के साथ है, networking is exactly the same thing, except it's with someone who will be adding immense value to your career and future opportunities. That's the difference. A lot of students I'll get say, oh, I've been messaging people on LinkedIn, right? Or I had one coffee chat with the person. I said, that's not networking, that's one connect or one coffee chat. Networking is when it happens over a period of time. जब आपने उस सेम बंदे के साथ 5, 6, 7, 10 बार बात की है over a period of let's say 6 to 8 months, that's what I call networking.
Because और उसके फोन में आपका नंबर सेव्ड हो,
या फोन में
maybe that is networking.
No, and maybe like it depends, right? इंडिया में लोग नंबर ज्यादा सेव करते हैं, नॉर्थ अमेरिका में they don't do that, right? So either most of the people I know with, I may not always have their numbers, but they may be people who I know कि आज मैंने फोन कॉल करके अगर बोला या फिर मैसेज करके बोला, oh I need help here, they'll be willing to come and support me in whatever way and capacity they can. That is networking, right? And when you have, that's why we say your network is your net worth, right? The people you know, the kind of access to resources and access to decision making rooms that they have dictates what you have as well, right? आप खुद भले कुछ ना हो, but अगर आप लोगों को जानते हो जो बहुत कुछ हैं, you automatically become someone who's बहुत कुछ, right? That's just simply the idea of networking. That's why a lot of people network, is to make sure you're surrounding yourself with people who help you grow, but also surrounding yourself with people who not only want value from you, but also willing to provide it in return, right? It's not, I don't want people to think of कि अच्छा मैंने तेको ये दिया, तू मेरे को ये दे. It is not transactional. It is a mutual exchange of value. That's what I call it. It's nothing, अगर आप transactional perspective से जाओगे, अच्छा मुझे तो referral चाहिए, right? I get literally more than 200 messages every single day from students. A message saying, hi, I need a job. Can you give me referral? इतना easy मिल जाता तो भाई हर कुत्ता भी स्ट्रीट्स पे चलता हुआ जॉब होता उसके पास, राइट? बट व्हाई आई एम सेइंग इट इज बिकॉज आई थिंक काफ़ी हमें कंसेप्शुलाइजेशन ऑफ व्हाट नेटवर्किंग इज वेरी फॉल्टी राइट नाउ. एक तो इंस्टीट्यूशंस एजुकेशन नहीं दे रहे, दूसरा हम सीख नहीं रहे खुद ही, क्योंकि हमें किसी ने बताया भी नहीं उसके बारे में. तो इट्स दैट
लूप.
यस करेक्ट, दैट लूप दैट पीपल आर स्टक.
ये मुझे भी सेम एग्जैक्ट चीज है. मैसेज आते हैं कि रेफर एंड ऑल दैट.
यस या
नाउ आई विल शेयर विद यू एन इंसिडेंट
या
that happened with me. I was in 11th or 12th class, I remember. Yeah. आकाश इंस्टीट्यूट है इंडिया में, आपको पता होगा, मेडिकल के लिए.
या
तो वहाँ पे जब मैं एडमिशन लेने गया, so there was some person sitting there giving an interview
या
for a job,
या
and that guy says to the manager there कि good morning sir, how are you? And manager says अपने बारे में बताओ. और you know जैसे वो होता है ना एक रटा हुआ कुछ, my father is this, my mother is this, I have done this education and everything. कहता यार ये तो फाइल में पढ़ लिया है, आगे बोलो. What else? And he's like थोड़ा बहुत उसने बताया, ब्रैक किया बेसिकली. और after a bit while he says कि आप अब क्या चाहते हो मेरे से? मैनेजर says. And this guy says बस जॉब मिल जाए आसानी से ये वाली. and मैनेजर ने पता है क्या बोला? He says भाई आसानी से तो पानीपत से दिल्ली की बस भी नहीं मिलती.
वही
उसके लिए भी आपको भाग के जाना पड़ता है. आपको यहाँ से बस स्टैंड जाना पड़ेगा, बस के पीछे भागना पड़ेगा, तब जाके बस मिलेगी. एंड आई एम डैम श्योर कि उसको जॉब नहीं मिली.
Yeah, if he hired him, I would be concerned.
Yeah.
वही. Yeah.
कि असल वे अप्रोच करने का क्या होना चाहिए आपके हिसाब से? अगर आपको किसी को अच्छा ये बोलना है, इनडायरेक्टली बोलना है कि या इंटेंशंस ये हैं कि आप उसको रेफरल दो, राइट? या कोई भी किसी को रेफरल दे. आई एम जस्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट यू बिकॉज आई वांट टू नो अबाउट योर यू नो. सो क्या अप्रोच का वे होना चाहिए?
तो रेफरल्स को तो हटा ही देते हैं इधर से, ठीक है? रेफरल्स मैं कभी उस पर्सपेक्टिव से रीच आउट ही मत करो, बिकॉज आई रेयरली गिव रेफरल्स, दैट्स व्हाट, right? Because it's no one has ever asked it the right way. I think the second piece is आपका focus होना चाहिए to actually build that relationship with that person. I think that's the first priority, and curiosity is the most important thing. अगर आप कोई हो जिसके पास 0 years का experience है, but you just reach out saying, I just want to learn. I am someone who's very passionate about creating an impact in this X space. I see that you've been doing it for the last 15 years. All I want to do is just have a 15-minute call with you to understand how you did it and get your guidance on how I can do the same. वो मैसेज का रिस्पॉन्स ज़्यादा लोग देंगे compared to कोई और इंसान जिसके पास मे बी 10 years of work experience है, but they reach out saying, oh, I have 25+ years of work experience in this space. I see you working at this company. I want a job there. Right? Can we chat about the job? I will first of all reject that person, and I will even respond to them saying not at all. Right? Why? क्योंकि एक person जो है is reaching out from the perspective of learning from you, while the other person is using you as a medium to get something out of you. There's a huge difference. One is a relationship you're building, one is just a one-way street. Let's say आपने वो approach किया, right? कोई referral दे भी देगा आपको एक बार, but referral से आपकी life नहीं change होने वाली.
आपको सिर्फ जॉब मिलेगी.
जॉब भी नहीं मिलेगी.
अगर मिल भी जाए तो सिर्फ जॉब ही मिलेगी.
वो भी बहुत
वहाँ पे सस्टेन नहीं कर पाओगे आप.
नहीं, exactly. And जैसे अगर 90 लोग referral मिलता है उनको, out of 90 only 10 may get a job out of the referral. Yeah. Because I'll tell you, today again, it's like हर साल के साथ ट्रेंड्स चेंज हो रहे हैं, राइट? 2 साल पहले कम लोग थे तो जॉब्स के लिए जा रहे हैं, जॉब्स भी ज्यादा अवेलेबल थे. इस साल there are twice the number of people going up for jobs but half the number of jobs available, right? और जो twice the लोग हैं जो जा रहे हैं जॉब्स के लिए, उन सबके पास ऑलमोस्ट रेफरल है, क्योंकि everyone knows referrals are very important, right? बट अब जब सभी रेफरल लेके जा रहे हैं, अब कंपनी आपको लगता है रिगार्ड करेगी रेफरल्स को एज अ बिग थिंग? नॉट एट ऑल. फॉर देम इट्स बिकमिंग अ बेयर मिनिमम नाउ, राइट? सो entering a company today with a referral is, I think, the bare minimum. All a referral does is, I try to explain to students, is आपका file bottom से top पे आ जाएगा. That means it guarantees that an employer will look at your resume. That is what it guarantees. Whether they send you for an interview or not, that is not guaranteed. Whether you get the job or not is not guaranteed, right? It also depends on who sent you the referral, obviously.
अच्छा, एक बात और मैं पूछूंगा यहाँ पे. आपने resume की बात की.
हाँ.
I have seen resumes जिनको 4 साल का एक्सपीरियंस है और उनका 8 पेज का रिज्यूमे है.
Yeah.
आई थिंक यू हैव गॉन सम
Yeah,
लाइक
no,
दैट.
a lot.
और उसमें उन्होंने सब कुछ डाल रखा है
हाँ.
कि मैंने स्कूल में टॉफी खरीदी, उसके बाद
Yeah.
एवरीथिंग इज देयर.
Yeah.
लिटरली एवरीथिंग इज देयर.
नहीं, आई थिंक लाइक इसका सिंपल आंसर पता क्या है? यू नीड टू थिंक empathy is one of the most important things. Why I say this is empathy means being able to put yourself in the other person's shoes. And empathetic leadership, I think, is one of the most important skill sets to have today, which most people lack. Right? जिस बंदे के पास empathetic leadership होगी वो अपने आप को एम्प्लॉयर के शूज में डालेगा. राइट? सो इफ यू थिंक ऑफ एन एम्प्लॉयर जॉब, जो फुल टाइम जॉब है उनका हायर करना लोगों को, उनको दिन के 1000 एप्लीकेशंस मिलते हैं. राइट? आप सोचो बैठ के 1000 एप्लीकेशन चेक करना, हाउ फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग कैन इट बी. राइट? और वो अगर अभी कोई आपको एप्लीकेशन भेजता है जिसमें 6 पेज का तो रेज्यूमे ही है और half of it is literally sentences after sentences, I can promise you that employer will be frustrated in just the half of the page and will throw that resume away.
Yeah, straight away rejected.
Right? क्योंकि even though there might be immense value in there, उन्होंने आपको रिजेक्ट करना straight away क्योंकि आपने उनका लाइफ ईजी नहीं की. Right? By writing a 6-page resume. So the simplest thing today is, no matter what level you're at, your idea is to make the other person's life easier. Right? So when you create just a 1-page resume, when you make pointers which are to the point, concise, जब आप make sure करते हो कि key skills को आप bold कर दो maybe, right? High जो numbers आप add कर रहे हो, percentages, X number impacted of people, this and that, उसको आप italics में डाल दो. अब जब employer check करता है, एक तो खुश है कि एक ही पेज, वाह कम देखना पड़ेगा. राइट? दूसरी चीज आपने क्या किया, स्किल्स को आपने बोल्ड कर दिया. एवरी एम्प्लॉयर इन देयर हेड हैज अ चेकलिस्ट ऑफ स्किल्स. राइट? ये 5 चेकलिस्ट चीजें हैं मेरे को ये जॉब के लिए. अगर आप बोल्ड करते हो, वो देख के ऐसे ऐसे टिक टिक कर रहे हैं. राइट? अपने दिमाग में. यू हैव नाउ made them requiring to spend 2 minutes into them requiring to spend only 60 seconds on your resume. Right? When you do that, you make their mood better, you make their life better, and they are now more positive about your application.
And they are like tick tick
and
tick tick and you are just
and you go forward.
Yeah.
भले ही आपके पास आधा एक्सपीरियंस हो जो नेक्स्ट पर्सन है उससे. राइट?
आप रीडिफाइंड में नेटवर्किंग इवेंट्स के अंदर
हाँ,
क्या ऐसा यूनिक करते हो?
ग्रेट क्वेश्चन. क्योंकि जब हम शुरुआत भी कर रहे थे रीडिफाइन की, राइट, फॉर मी द बिगेस्ट थिंग हैज ऑलवेज बिन, मुझे वो नहीं करना जो ऑलरेडी लोग कर रहे हैं. राइट? व्हाई आई डू दैट? फिर उससे अच्छा उनको ही ज्वाइन कर लो. बट व्हेन आई अटेंडेड नेटवर्किंग इवेंट, सबसे वन थिंग इज यूजुअली जो मेंटर्स वगैरह लोग इन्वाइट करते हैं आर पीपल हु आर 25-30 years ahead of your life, top CEOs, this and that. Well, that's great, but I don't learn a lot from them, to be honest, when I'm in a group setting. क्योंकि क्या है, there's more of intimidation there rather than inspiration. Right? You're left thinking, oh my God, how will I be that person, or how will I make that $1 million? Right? Instead of feeling like, you know what, I can do that. Right? But I think what we do is we mainly bring in mentors, which we call buddies actually more than mentors. I think buddies is a better informal term, yeah. Right? जो buddies हम लेके आते हैं are people who are around the same age bracket as students. तो वो students से शायद 3 या 4 साल max आगे होंगे life में. Right? Now जब वो students से मिलते हैं, they are able to show the student कि I was you just 3 years ago. Yeah.
Redefined का अब तक का सबसे हैप्पी मोमेंट कौन सा रहा आपका?
I think मुझे एक तो like obviously community size बढ़ जाता है, ये सब वो तो अच्छा होता है. But I think every single event when you see a student leave with a smile on their face, just feeling better about themselves. Like I cannot tell you how many sessions individually that I take also. I have students crying to me when they come towards the end of the session because they're like, you give me hope that I can be someone. Right? And I'll tell you why that comes up is because जब मैं अपना part-time job कर रही थी at my pizza place, there were 2 other immigrants who worked at the same pizza place. One had 10 years of work experience from back home in India. One had 5 years of work experience from China. Right? Both started part-time while they were students. And today they were working full-time there. And it had been 3 years since they have been working full-time. Me as a student, or any student, imagine who will be at the same workplace, अगर वो उनसे बात करे, उससे लगेगा वही ये तो मेरी भी लाइफ है आगे. Right? क्यों बोलेंगे मैं तो 0 एक्सपीरियंस के साथ आ रहा हूँ कनाडा, और अगर इनका ये हाल है तो मेरा तो क्या होएगा. राइट? बट इट्स ओनली जब आपको सही लोग मिलते हैं, सही एनवायरनमेंट मिलती है, सही उसी से सही अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिलेंगी, सही रिसोर्सेज मिलेंगे और सही गाइडेंस भी मिलेगी. गाइडेंस देने वाले बहुत है, ज़रूरी नहीं सबसे लो. राइट? हम भी जो दे रहे गाइडेंस है, ज़रूरी नहीं लो सबसे. राइट? एनीवन लिसनिंग ऑल्सो टेक इट विद अ पिंच ऑफ सॉल्ट, बिकॉज जो हम बोल रहे हैं इज कमिंग फ्रॉम आवर कॉन्टेक्स्ट एंड अंडरस्टैंडिंग. राइट? तो वही आई फील लाइक वही प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है कि स्टूडेंट्स को इसलिए बिलीव नहीं होता ना, क्योंकि हर पर्सन के पास वो जाते हैं. वन स्टूडेंट इवन टोल्ड मी दिस, शी केम क्राइंग टू मी एंड शी सेड, रितिका आई वांट टू स्टार्ट अ बिजनेस, बट एवरी पर्सन आई गो टू विद द बिजनेस आइडिया वो कहता है पीआर ले ले, पहले ये काम करके, कहती नहीं करनी मुझे टिम हॉर्टन्स पे जाओ. तो मैं मत कर, कहती है बट मुझे वही आता है क्योंकि सबने वही सिखाया है कि कनाडा आके पहले ऐसे करो और जॉब मिलेगी रेफरल से. तो मेरा एक फ्रेंड था जो 2 साल पहले आया था, उसने रेफरल दिया, तो मैं बोला यू विल डू द सेम फॉर योर अदर फ्रेंड आल्सो देन, एंड देन यू विल फाइंड योर एंटायर फैमिली एंड योर एंटायर lineage just doing this for the next 5-15 years. Are you okay with that? She said no, absolutely not. So I said someone has to break the chain, right? तो जब आपके अगर अराउंड लोग ही नहीं है जो आपको बोले यू कैन डू इट, आप कैसे करोगे, राइट? क्योंकि आप खुद ही इतना कंट्रीज मूव करके आ रहे हो, यू आर ऑलरेडी अलोन अवे फ्रॉम फैमिली, यू आर गोइंग थ्रू सो मच ऑलरेडी, एंड सेल्फ बिलीव भी अभी खुद ही क्रिएट करो, कोई है ही नहीं देने के लिए मोटिवेशन.
मुझे
so,
तो
so difficult.
मुझे तो किसी ने बोला था, एक मेंटोर ने हमारे, वो कहते यार इफ यू वांट टू स्टार्ट समथिंग, लोग कहते हैं स्टार्ट फास्ट. उन्होंने मुझे बोला, वो कहते फेल फास्ट.
Yes. Yeah.
And I was like, मतलब?
Agreed.
And he was like, टाइम वेस्ट क्यों कर रहे हो?
Yes.
आपने सोचा कि ये करना है,
करो.
आप करो, फेल हो गए कोई बात नहीं, नई चीज करो.
Yes.
फिर फेल हो गए, नई चीज करो. वो कहते 10 चीजों में, नहीं तो 20 चीजों में, नहीं तो 30 चीजों में सक्सेस रखी हुई है.
Yes.
जैसे लेट्स से 37th चीज में सक्सेस है. नाउ गॉड वांट्स कि आप वहां तक जाते हो या नहीं.
Exactly. 100%. ये बहुत अच्छा
It's
एग्जाम्पल
that
दिया
thing.
आपने. अगर आप रीडिफाइन का भी देखो, हाउ डिड वी स्टार्ट, राइट? आई वाज लाइक, तभी आई वाज स्टिल वर्किंग एट दैट पिज्जा प्लेस, राइट? आई वाज फेसिंग दोस चैलेंजेस एंड आई वाज लाइक, भाई community and network makes so much of a difference. So I was like, I want to do this for others. So I was like, first क्या करेंगे हम? To create a community, you need to meet, right? So I just went on Instagram, I posted first meetup happening with zero expectation on how many people show up, right? At our meetup, 3 people showed up.
That's it.
I was like, I was so even prepared that no one will show up. And I was like, that's fine. I will in fact create a post about it, I thought, that after that. Because I'll say that, see, today no one showed up. I can promise you 300 people will show up one day, right? So we started, 3 people showed up. But just last year we did an event where we had 250 people show up in person, right?
Lovely.
So you see, like, it does happen, right? I know we can even bring 1,000, 2,000 people in the room,
Of course.
right? Anyone can do it. It's just consistency, right? अगर आप किसी को भी like, I think this is very important to talk about. Why I tell you is क्योंकि ये mindset पे आ जाती है चीज, right? This dictates everything else in life. आप कितने भी स्मार्ट, होशियार, कुछ भी बोलो हो, अगर ये नहीं आपका सही पेज पे ना, कुछ नहीं होने वाला.
Talking about networking.
Yes.
आप कह रहे थे कि you go there, right?
Yeah.
You started with the events. पहले दिन 3 लोग आए, उसके
Yes.
बाद people joined up a lot.
Yeah.
इम्पैक्ट क्रिएट करना. आई यूजुअली से दिस कि जहाँ पे आप किसी की लाइफ में 1% चेंज कर रहे हो इन पॉजिटिव वे, देन यू कैन आस्क फेवर्स.
Yeah.
Then you can ask them to refer you, or you don't even need to ask them.
Yeah.
If I do something for you,
They'll do
after
it
that,
automatically.
Automatically.
Yes.
You don't have to ask.
Yeah.
And I want to go deep into your personal life. आपने
Yeah.
3 जॉब की, उसके बाद आपने मुझे बोला कि you stopped it,
Yeah.
and then what?
I invested more time into, like, you know.
What was it exactly? What skill was it that you went into?
I think it's like, I think a lot of it was investing time into figuring out who am I and what do I want to do, right? And I think that's
Again, you were into healthcare.
yeah.
Uh-huh.
But I wasn't obsessed with healthcare at that. That's what I'm saying. Like, it's something you've been told since you're young कि अच्छा डॉक्टर बनो, इंजीनियर बनो, ये बनो. तो right, हम एक direction लेके चले गए, right? तो I had never taken out the time to figure out who do I really want to be? Who does Ritika want to be in the future, right? And I'll tell you, that's one of the biggest challenges. And I think that's another piece. The reason I mentioned to students is why a lot of them are not being able to find success in Canada is because उन्हें पता ही नहीं है उनके लिए success क्या है, right? हम उन चीजों के पीछे भाग रहे हैं जो हमारे दोस्त हमें कहते हैं भागो, या पेरेंट्स कहते हैं भागो, या सोसाइटी कह रही है भागो, राइट? सो everything. So I think for me, when I took that time, I invested that time, one, in myself to figure out who am I, what are my value propositions, what are my skill sets, what do I want to offer to people, who do I even want to be, right? What does future Ritika do, right? वो future Ritika की definition भी लिखना कोई लोग नहीं लिख सकते, right? If I ask a student to write who that future self is, they may be blank. in terms of what that person even looks like. और my point is, अगर आपको end goal ही नहीं पता तो आप जाओगे कैसे उधर, right? So for me, one of the best things it helped with is one, it helped me remove time to figure that piece out for myself, कि what's my why in life. And second is, it helped me figure out how do I build credibility for that why. How do you figure that out? A lot of people ask me this. You figure it out by talking to others who have already figured it out, right? Or talk to people who are still in the process of figuring out. I networked like anything. I met Rob Kim recently. He is one of the directors at UBC. When I was in Vancouver and I was visiting him, he reached out and when we were having a conversation, he said, Ritika, you as someone who just graduated a year before from university, he's like, I'm shocked to see the kind of network you have. Because any single person he mentioned, I knew most people. At the same time, even at Deloitte, I do the same thing. Most people at Deloitte would know who I am, right from the CEO to anyone. Why? Because I make sure every single person knows that I exist.
You make sure that in a room, people know you.
Yeah.
People know that, okay, Ritika has already left. It's
Yeah.
not like in a 100 people company,
Yes.
no one even knows your name.
क्योंकि क्या होता है, I'll tell you a simple example. A lot of students, this is, I think, again, this is very important to bring up. क्योंकि some students will listen to the advice and they'll start showing up to a lot of events, right? But abhi now, again, when you show up to a lot, you aren't being able to do the before, during and after process, right? क्योंकि effective networking isn't just showing up to an event कि आप काम करके चले जाओ, right? खत्म काम, right? ओ jobs क्यों नहीं मिल रहे हो, ये क्यों नहीं मिल रहा? What about the after process? What about the before preparation? What about the during, right? There's a 3-step process to networking.
Let's
चाहे
explain.
online, हाँ,
Let's
चाहे
explain.
online हो, in person हो. So before process is research, right? If you're going to an in-person event, let's say, find out who are the people coming to that event, who are the mentors, connect with them on LinkedIn ahead of time. If you can, even have a conversation with them ahead of time. Why? Because then the time you meet them, you have an opportunity to further build the relationship, right? You will already be meeting them in person, right? So एक बार online भी connect कर लो, right? So doing that initial research to find out who are the people in the room, who do you really want to meet in that room, right? Because when you go for these big networking events, let's say even a networking event of 50 people, you sometimes may not be able to connect with everyone, and that makes sense because you are on a limited time. So I always go is I write down a list of people who I specifically want to meet at the event. I'm like bare minimum, these are the people I have to meet. If I meet more, great, but inse kam I can't meet, right? So before leaving, I'll make sure I fulfill that checklist, right? Why? That allows you to be more strategic as well, right? और ये नहीं कि अच्छा ढूंढ लिया लोग जाओ अभी. Research about those people. Spend 2 minutes on the LinkedIn profile. Just 2 minutes I'm asking for, right? To identify ki, what are their motivations. See, anyone in life, whether they want to invest money in you, whether they want to take out their time to give you advice, they will do it if A, your story resonates with them, or B, if what you do or who you are as a person benefits them personally, right? So it has to be one of those two things. अगर आप उन दोनों में से एक भी चीज नहीं प्रोवाइड कर रहे, उन्होंने सुनना ही नहीं, right? आप कितना भी मैसेज करो, actually you knock that door 25 times also they won't listen because they just don't see those two things, right? So वो those things जानने के लिए you first need to know that person, right? तो वो होगा before सिर्फ. अब आप show up करते event पे, right? Now the during part is making sure you connect with all of those people. You strike the right conversations, ask the right questions, right? And you ask that person also ki, like one thing I always ask people at the end of a networking coffee chat is, who else do you recommend I speak to? Because if they recommend you someone, you can now ask them as a follow-up. A, are you open to connecting me with that person? Or B, is it okay when I reach out, I mention your name? Because now let's say on LinkedIn, when you draft a message to that person mentioning their name, that person will accept your connection request a lot faster than they normally would because you're coming through someone's referral, right? And now you make networking a lot easier for you. Now it starts working for you in itself, right? So networking starts as a quantity approach. It starts as a very tough thing to do, but you just need to crack that one person who responds to you. That one person can tell you 5 other people you connect with. Those 5, 10, 25 ऐसे फिर network grow होता जाता है, right? Yeah. So it is that snowball method. But the biggest point what I was going to mention is काफी students जाएंगे events पे, but they don't get value क्यों? क्योंकि उन्होंने चुप ही बैठना है उस event में. At the end seat they're going to be doing gupshup with each other, right? वाह, event तो attend हो गया, right? अभी वापस expectation आ जाती है, अभी तो results आएंगे. पर आपने तो किया ही नहीं जो चीज करनी थी event जाके, right? आप networking
करने आए थे.
वही, and neither did you follow up with people. That is also another big thing I'll tell you is like I attended this one of the biggest conferences that happens in Toronto. I forgot the name of. I attended that, right? After the conference, we had this round table we were doing with students. After the conference, maybe like 50 people reached out, right? I was like, let's see after 1 week, 2 weeks, who's consistent, right? After 2 weeks, there was only one person who kept reaching out still, right? Inconsistently in a strategic manner. That one person was the person I had the coffee chat with. I connected that person with someone else and they ended up getting a job through that, right?
Lovely.
But that one person compared to, there were 200 people in that room. Out of the 200, only 50 followed up. Out of 50, only one followed up after 2 weeks, right? और अभी वो 50 बैठ के complain करने वाला, I'll tell you. भाई job ही नहीं मिल रही, I've tried everything, I'm networking also.
They don't understand. Actually, you at your level,
Yeah.
I am at my level, we have limited references
Yeah.
which we can give.
Yeah.
So if I know someone, if you know someone,
Yeah.
we have limited references that we can offer.
Yeah.
So I will not waste my 5 references.
Exactly. और रेफरेंसेस भी छोड़ो, मैंने तो आपको बोला भी, राइट?
Oh yeah, it doesn't
रिफरल आप
matter.
ले भी लो,
Yeah.
आपकी लाइफ नहीं चेंज हो रही, जॉब
Reference in the way I am saying कि ये बताना कि कनेक्ट करना किसी को इससे, that is also kind of reference.
Yes, correct. Yeah.
Reference is not just telling someone for a job.
Correct.
It's like connecting with them with someone who can offer them something.
Yeah.
Or with the same field.
Yeah.
दूसरी आपने एक बात की about the end goal. I am very happy that you brought it out.
Yeah.
ये बहुत ज़रूरी है that you know where you're going.
Yeah.
One of my mentors says when you book a ticket, you know the destination.
Yeah.
If you go to a platform of train, you ask them,
Yeah.
I want a ticket of Mumbai.
Yes.
Then they offer you a ticket.
Yeah.
And then you see the platform, you go to the platform, you take a train and you go there.
Yeah.
Now, you go to a platform, you ask a ticket. Where do you want to go? I don't know.
Yeah. तो कहेगा ठीक है, bye.
You get ticket of nowhere and you go nowhere.
Yeah.
And on the way, even if you catch a train, on the way you don't even know where you're going.
Yeah. And you'll be disappointed by where you land, probably, right?
Now that's your luck.
Yeah.
Maybe you can land somewhere, who knows? But
Yeah.
it might not be the place you wanted to land.
Yeah. Exactly. And you see that happening quite in reality to every single student, right?
Yeah.
Oh, trends say I should go into marketing. So I've seen students who maybe back home were doctors, right? But they're like, oh, they're seeing more jobs in marketing right now. Should I take courses in marketing? I was like, wow. So you are telling me जिस बंदे ने 4 साल बिताए यूनिवर्सिटी में मार्केटिंग पढ़ते हुए, right? And they have done certifications and developed experiences. You now want to go up against that person just through a 1-week marketing certification. And not even, you can still crack it. But the reasoning behind cracking it is because that's where the trend says the money is at right now. Or that's where opportunities are available. तो मैं बोला आप तो फिर career ही change करते रहो फिर अपना. Like, and ये students करते हैं.
Like one way of looking at it is कि आपका interest है marketing में.
हाँ,
आपका interest है किसी चीज में.
वही.
और आप उसको crack कर रहे हो. आपने वो अपने field में, जैसे medical field में या किसी और field में, आपने अलग-अलग तरीके से किया है उसको.
Yes. Yeah.
और now by seeing this you realize यार ये तो मैं कर रहा था already.
Exactly. Yeah.
Or then you realize कि यार I have done it. If I learn these all things within like 10-15 days, I can at least connect with some people and get something. That is a different way.
Exactly.
But seeing it in a way कि अच्छा यहाँ पे 20 जॉब हैं आज, इसका मतलब ये ट्रेंडिंग में है.
Yeah. नहीं वही हो रहा है ना. And that's where certifications लोगों को बहुत easily आ रहा है, right? इसलिए आप देखो लोगों के बहुत certifications है. Experience से आता तो certifications है उनके पास. Even what I did, I am from a kinesiology background, pure science. हमारी classes में networking, public speaking की बातें भी नहीं होती थी, right? But I switched to marketing. Why? Not because jobs are easier in that space, but because I was obsessed with the idea of marketing, right? I love the idea of how can you sell even a shitty product for such high value to someone just by knowing how do you sell it, right? For me that was shocking because I feel it's so relevant to life, right? आप देखो लाइफ में whether it be a job, investment हो किससे, कुछ भी जिसको भी मिल रही है ना, एक तो वो बेस्ट पर्सन नहीं है रूम में. That तो absolutely I want to break that for everyone, right? Especially awards, because earlier on in my career I was running behind awards a lot and I felt like I associated my self-value with awards until I started meeting people who were winning those awards, right? I realized even when I won some awards that भाई मैं तो कुछ भी नहीं हूँ, right? I haven't even done what I know some people have done. But the reason I will get access to those awards is because I created visibility for myself in spaces where people just happen to see me do the work, right? But there might be someone else right now in a gully in India who is doing 5 times the work that I can ever think of doing, right? But they become those unsung heroes, right? And this is the reality for many people in today's world. That's why I tell people today is not about just hard work. It's also about loud work. You need to tell people also what you're doing, right? Not from the perspective ki, see what I'm doing, oh you're nothing. वो ego हो गया. But more from the perspective कि आप अपनी जगह बनाओ, right? क्योंकि आजकल हम इतने सारे लोग हैं दुनिया में. To be honest, right? We have so many people running after the same opportunities. And unfortunately, there isn't space for all of us sometimes at every opportunity, right? तो जब हम इतने सारे लोग हैं, इतने सारे लोग की जब मास्टर्स डिग्री हो रही है, इतने सारे लोग जब अपस्किलिंग कर रहे हैं, इतने सारे लोग जब नेटवर्किंग कर रहे हैं, आजकल इट्स नॉट जस्ट अबाउट द स्मार्टनेस एंड केपेबिलिटी, राइट? वो तो बहुत पहले थी बातें टू डिस्टिंग्विश. आज सभी स्मार्ट हो रहे हैं, सब केपेबल हो रहे हैं, सब हार्ड वर्क कर रहे हैं. बट अभी पॉइंट आ जाती है, आप सब हार्ड वर्किंग लोगों में से कौन है वो बंदा या बंदी जिसको मैं जानता हूँ, राइट? और मैं उसी को अपॉर्चुनिटी दूंगी या दूंगा, राइट? So that I want people to fix here is कि hard work करने से ही सब मिलता होता तो भाई.
और जानने का मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप कनेक्ट कर लो उनके साथ ऑनलाइन इंस्टाग्राम पे या फिर फेसबुक पे. कनेक्ट मीन्स कि like we met today.
Yes.
So if I'm going to reach out or you're going to reach out to me, let's say after 1 year or after 6 months, we have met once.
Exactly.
Right?
Yes.
So it's like a personal connection built.
Exactly.
We have met many guests here.
Yeah.
एक personal connection built हुआ उनसे.
Yeah.
That is a connection.
Yeah.
That even after they went from here, we are chatting. Like,
exactly.
How are you doing? How's life going
that's
on?
You taking connection beyond. That's now networking.
Yeah,
right?
of course.
Connection is a one-time thing. जो आज हुआ, that's a connection, right?
Now that's me. Ki, how are you feeling?
Exactly.
How's your day going?
Yes. And you said before, a lot of your initial clients investors had become your clients, right? In your business back home in India. Why did that happen? Because you just didn't connect with them. कि अच्छा काम हो गया, आपका जाओ, right? It was about building that relationship over time.
Oh, they call me 3 at night and I make sure I pick the call and I say, hello sir, how are you doing? Because they don't know I'm in Canada.
Yeah.
They should not feel I was sleeping.
Yeah. So see, that's what I'm saying. What you have built is that relationship with that person, right? So now you don't even have to ask them ki when there's an opportunity, let me know. They will let you know when they have an opportunity, right? So that
I'll tell you something. I'll tell you something very interesting. An author, I'll not name.
Yeah.
Actually, if I name, it'll be very good. She'll listen and she'll be very happy. What she did was, she consulted my team, connected with my team, and she told this opportunity is there, and I am among the one who is doing this organizational thing is my very good friend.
Yeah.
And he wants these things to be done. Like say a project is there of 50 lakh or 60 lakh, and he wants it to be done. Plus he wants organization to brand it and everything.
Yeah.
And I came to know, I didn't know it was happening by my company.
Yeah.
I came to know about it once it was done.
Yeah.
I saw photos in newspaper. And that's when my team told me कि ऐसे event हुआ था गुजरात में, and here's the photo. And I was like, wow.
Yeah. See, power of networking.
Actually, people misunderstand this thing. Everyone wants to feel good.
Yes.
In psychology, say this thing.
Yeah.
सबको फेवर देना अच्छा लगता है. Everyone wants to feel good.
Yeah.
If I ask you something and with a sincerity and with innocence, if I ask anyone anything, if you get a message ki Ritika, please teach me this.
Yeah.
Can I get your 10 minutes if you can teach me this?
Anyone will give the time.
Yes. You will say कि आज नहीं है मेरे पास time. This day, this time, if you are free, let's connect.
वो भले ही वो बोले 2 महीने बाद, but वो time जरूर देंगे. Yes. क्योंकि it makes you feel better about yourself, right? It is that whole idea of giving back. So I always say impact also sometimes I think is very selfish, right? Because it helps you feel better about who you are.
Yeah.
That's why a lot of people even want to do daan, that people do give away. It's not always selfless, right? There are selfish pieces to that as well.
It gives you motivation inside that I am doing something good.
Yes.
And if you make people feel that they are doing good by helping you,
Yes.
and you are down looking
Yeah.
at them up.
Yes.
That they are helping you.
Yes, let people feel like, they are
They
on
are,
a pedestal.
yeah.
Right?
My grandfather used to say
Yeah.
कि अगर कुछ सीखना है तो नीचे लग के सीखा जाता है.
My
And that
mama
was-
always tells me, she's like, जैसे भिखारी होते हैं ना. She's
Exactly.
like, you are a भिखारी in life. Literally.
Mhm.
She's like, all you have to do is just have this open every single time. This, like, an open bowl or whatever you want to
Please,
call it.
please help me.
No, like open bowl in the sense, I just want to learn.
Mhm.
Every
Please
person.
teach me this.
Yes,
Please do
because
for me this.
if we are all beggars in life,
Uh-huh.
right? No one knows too much about anything, right? We all are just learning, and I feel like if you keep that attitude, you will have humility in life. You see so many people, like even I say this to students, oh, I don't want to take this risk because if I fail, it'll hurt my image.
Which image?
I said, what image? I said, even I don't have image. None of us have, because
ऐसा
what
किया क्या है लाइफ में जी image हो?
No, but I don't want to say it like that also, na. But
No,
I
but
say
it's
it.
blunt.
Yeah, no, but I say it from my perspective. I said, मेरी भी क्या औकात? मतलब like what have I done, right? I'm not even Elon Musk, right?
Leave Elon Musk.
Like
So-
anyone, but yeah, that's the point. Is like,
Rabindranath Tagore, on his deathbed, he
Yeah.
told this one line when I remember this quote which I
Yeah.
read. So someone asked him, ki, are you afraid of death? And he was like, no. He quoted his one line and he wrote, no, I'm not afraid of death. But I'm sad. I'm sad because there was so much in this universe and I was able to grasp only one drop of it
yeah.
from this ocean. Such launch personality, such famous personalities are saying this thing, and we here feel that with 6-page resume we have something. We have nothing.
No, वही तो like, and it's like, I think that's where humility starts at the core, right? And I think when you're humble, people see it in conversations. It's very easy. जो लोग चढ़ जाते हैं ना सिर में, it's very easy to know. Like even in interviews, you'll see some people who come in, they just think they're too good, right? That's why for me, it's always been like, don't underplay it either. It depends the situation and context, right? Because I think especially being immigrants, when you're in a foreign country, you can't afford to underplay. Because people are already underplaying you, right? So this is the time where you actually have to gather everything you have and present a strong stance. And that goes back to the piece जो हम बात कर रहे थे before, is like, I want students to not just think about, oh, I'm going to this event, ki job चाहिए वगैरह, but thinking more from the perspective is, before I leave this event, I want people to know that I existed in this room, right? Create your space. I always say that to people. Create your space wherever you go, right? People should feel you occupied space in that room. वरना point ही क्या था, right? If no one ever knew you were in that room and you left the event, you're reaching out to everyone in that, who was there at the event. No one's going to accept because they don't even remember your face, right? And I say this is because I go to so many universities, I get invited for sessions, etc. also. These universities also paying to get me invited and so many other speakers invited. But you see, most often times than not, rarely are most of the students in the class interacting, right? Most times they're just sitting there and listening, right? And there will be only like 1, 2 usually, or maybe like 5 to 6 max students who are asking questions and super engaging, right? And आप देखना वही जो 5-6 बच्चे हैं ना, वो life में जा पाएंगे ना, will be very different compared to others. And see, I mean it in 2 ways. One is, I agree some people are more extroverted, they're more willing to stand up in front of others. So if you're introverted, no one is saying to do it in front of others. What you can do is, wait after the session is done, come approach that speaker later on, right? Do one of the 2 things at least.
Exactly.
But I feel like आप जब दोनों ही नहीं कर रहे हो, तब you have to think about.
Problem है.
I'm not doing what I know needs to be put in to become that person I want to be. And this is another thing I want to really urge students to think about is, काफी times I find them sitting on their phones like, क्योंकि हम videos देख रहे हैं, लोग millionaires बन रहे हैं, ये कर रहे हैं, वो कर रहे हैं, वो मुझे भी वो बनना है.
Motivate हो रहे हैं हम.
हाँ, उनको लगता है मोटिवेट हो रहे हैं, बट मोटिवेट हो नहीं रहे क्योंकि वो काम तो कर ही नहीं रहे जो करना रहता है वो बनने के लिए इंसान. आई ऑलवेज से दिस टू पीपल, आपको जो भी चाहिए लाइफ में आप बहुत इजीली कर सकते हो. यू जस्ट नीड टू पुट कंसिस्टेंट एफर्ट, बट वो कोई नहीं करता, राइट? आई ऑलवेज से दिस एनालॉजी टू पीपल, टेक अ पीस ऑफ पेपर, on the left hand side, define who you are today, describe yourself, कि मैं ऐसे स्कूल जाती हूँ या ऐसे वर्क जाती हूँ, this is the kind of job I do, this is the kind of money I make, and then define future self, कैसे कपड़े पहनते हो आप, कैसा खाना खाते हो आप वगैरह, सब कुछ हर डिटेल डिफाइन करो, राइट? वो एक बार डिफाइन होगा, गैप एनालिसिस करो, what are the 5 things you should do to go from where you are today to be that person, and you will know what those 5 things are. Anyone will know, right? वो 5 चीजें ड्राफ्ट करो, उन 5 चीजों से आइडेंटिफाई 2 things you need to be doing every single day to become that person. And there will be those 1 to 2 things. And if you do those 1 to 2 things every single day, day in, day out, without fail, the level of work you put in might differ day to day, क्योंकि सबके good days होते हैं, bad days, that's fine. But you need to do it every single day. अगर आप वो करोगे, आपको जो चाहिए मिलेगा, लिख के ले लो किसी से भी, but वो 98% of people can't do. This I'm making up 98%. I don't know the number, but I'm saying I think...
If not 99, I would say.
Yes, exactly. I think almost most people can't do that, which is why they're so dissatisfied.
ये same चीज Bill Gates ने पूछी थी. Bill Gates and Warren Buffett have this very interesting conversation. So Warren Buffett has very simple strategies which anyone can do to become a millionaire. Very easy.
Yeah.
And Bill Gates asks him that your strategies are so simple. Any simple person without any knowledge can do them.
Yeah.
Why no one is doing? And he replies, because people want to be millionaire tomorrow.
Yes.
They don't want to be millionaire after 5 years.
There you go. Yes, yes. Yeah.
Because everyone can be a millionaire after 5 years. But everyone doesn't want to be a millionaire after 5 years.
और वो क्या है, कल के चक्कर में हम वो
परसों खराब कर देते हैं.
करेक्ट, एब्सोल्युटली खराब कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि हम बोलते हैं अच्छा कल तो बन ही सकते मिलियनर, तो ठीक है आज ये खरीदते हैं या वो खरीदते हैं. लाइक यू नो, इवन दो सिंपल थिंग्स, लाइक इवन व्हाट वॉरेन बफेट इज सेइंग, इफ यू सी अ लॉट ऑफ दीस पीपल हु इवन, I mean everyone becomes successful in a different route, right? कोई सेविंग से होता है सक्सेसफुल, कोई इन्वेस्टमेंट से होता है, कोई अदर वेज में, राइट? पर माई पॉइंट इज, अगर हम अपना माइंडसेट चेंज करें, वी कैन चेंज आवर लाइफ वेरी सिंपली, राइट?
अगेन सक्सेस से आपका मतलब क्या है, वो मैटर करता है.
इट्स सब्जेक्टिव, करेक्ट.
मेरे लिए $1 मिलियन और एक ऐसी लाइफ जहाँ मेरे पास सब कुछ हो और लाइक बेसिक नेसेसिटीज मीट हो रही हो, एंड आई एम डूइंग व्हाट आई लाइक, it's success.
Yeah.
Maybe for someone it is $100 million.
Yeah.
And maybe for someone it's just $100,000.
Yeah. And for someone maybe it's just $10,000 a month.
Yeah, that's right? it for whole his life.
Exactly.
That's
it depends. It depends completely on person to person. So I think वो पहली चीज आ जाती है कि define your purpose, and वो जब आप purpose define करोगे ना, you'll end up defining what even success looks like, because your end goal is going to be somewhere around that, right?
What is the biggest mistake students are making right now?
I think वो तो हम बात ही करता है ना उसके
नेटवर्किंग ही है.
I think नहीं, the biggest is mindset, which I think obviously like you can't create a mindset initially, but I think mindset which comes down to the fact that a lot of us aren't willing to invest the time to understand who we are, what are our values, to look deeper. I
चलो
think
मैं थोड़ा सा blunt question पूछ लेता हूँ. I want to be a bit frank. क्या कोर्सेज जो स्टूडेंट्स ले रहे हैं वो रेलेवेंट हैं?
डिपेंड्स आप कौन से करियर में जा रहे हो. अगर आप इंजीनियरिंग ले रहे हो या आप जेन एआई में जा रहे हो, लाइक समथिंग वेरी वेरी टेक्निकल, यू मे हैव टू डू द वर्क.
Now I'm not telling you about courses in Oxford, Princeton, University of Toronto or somewhere.
In general, you're
fancy.
saying.
I'm talking about a college that is 2-room college.
I mean education. Without even education today, people can be successful. That's all I can say, right? So I think whether that be even you go to the top, like see, I'll tell you. The reason Princeton is Princeton or U of T is U of T. Yes, I agree. If you think from a medicine perspective, you know the kind of professors and other people they're bringing in, right? Those are adding value to you. And I agree. But what is that at the end of the day? That's networking at the end of the day. That's the access to network you get, right? It's not what they teach that is incredibly of value. It's the kind of people they bring in to teach, right?
Same about IITs, same about IIMs.
Exactly. Now, let's say you have a triple PhD person in that room, right? Who's teaching you. Now, let's say the triple PhD person wrote everything that they wanted to teach. They get someone who is just a master's student to teach that to the students.
No.
The impact will be different. Why? It's because of who is teaching it. So, Princeton and all these places are the places they are, not just because it's education. That's what I want people to get over. It's not courses and curriculums that make people who they are.
Again, we come back to a point about connections.
Exactly.
About networking.
Yes. क्योंकि अगर आपको जो ट्रिपल PhD professor है, if you create good networking with him, he can introduce you to so many people in the industry. You never have to look outside, right? Princeton, you look at Oxford. Well, one of my friends graduated from Oxford. You see the kind of entrepreneurs they're bringing in are top-notch people. Like even for the regular class panel sessions, They're bringing in the top people in the world there. So कोई भी बच्चा जो student is a part of that class, they're getting access to world leaders 5 years earlier than students are getting in other universities. 5 or maybe never. Right?
You're saying 5? I'm saying maybe in lifetime they'll get or not.
Yeah, maybe in lifetime they'll not. So that's what I'm trying to say is the difference is never the academics. It's who you're getting access to. Even at UBC, that's why I said, why is UBC one of the top institutions? Not necessarily because जो पढ़ाते हैं किताबों में हमें, वो तो हम खरीदते दूसरों की, right? But it's because of जो professors और जो network मिलता है, the club activities, the other things that are happening in the university, that is the value add, right? The kind of grants available to you, the kind of entrepreneurship programs that are available, that is the value, right? It's nothing about the education. So, जो colleges students are coming to, unless it's something you're absolutely obsessed with, and there are colleges who are putting in a great deal of effort into making it one of the best experiences. Because I've worked with a bunch of colleges, but I know some who are not, right? But students तो भी आएंगे, right? क्योंकि जो काफी students आ रहे हैं, उनका goal कभी-कभी education है ही नहीं. They sometimes are coming here to treat education as part-time and job as full-time, right?
But maybe right now Canada needs you more.
That could also be the case. Or
that's the motive of you starting this organization.
Yeah.
Maybe that's the path God has chosen for you.
Yeah, and it could be that, right?
Yeah.
That's why I've never restricted myself कि अच्छा मुझे यही करना है वही करना है. A lot of people tell me PR apply हुई कि नहीं. मैं बोला नहीं हुई PR apply अभी तक, right? They're like, oh my God, what if it expires? I said let it expire, then we'll figure it out, right? But I bring this PR question up because that also frustrates me a lot. Right? You have students who will be like, मुझे career change करना है PR के चक्कर में. मैं बोला एक चीज बताओ मेरे को. If after 2 years or 4 years of investing into an education, you have to go back home, let's say today for some reason, would you be more proud to tell your parents कि मेरे पास PR मिल गई? Or would you be more proud to tell them कि भाई मुझे वो job मिल गया जो मुझे हमेशा से करना था, and I've created a name for myself in this industry? Which one's more better?
और वहां से आपको बार-बार कॉल आ रही हैं कि आप चाहे इंडिया बैठ के हमारा काम कर दो, आप काम कर दो.
Yes. कौन सा better?
We'll give you a job.
Yes.
You set up your company in India. We'll send you our work in India.
Yeah.
Because we love your work.
And everyone will say what? This part is better, right?
Yeah.
कि मैं उसके because why? That is also more क्या बोलते हैं transferable, right? PR क्या आपको दुबई विदर जॉब हेल्प कर देगा? नहीं करेगा हेल्प. But if you have developed skill sets, you use Canada for the value it provides you, for the right reasons it provides you, not कि part-time opportunities वगैरह.
And what is that right
so
reason?
That is opening yourself to just exploring and learning a lot, right? काफी opportunities try करो. अगर आप 5 days a week part time ही कर रहे हो, आपके पास time ही नहीं, आप घर आ रहे हो, थक रहे हो, सो रहे हो, सुबह उठ रहे हो, same चीज repeat कर रहे हो, right? आपने खुद को
लूप में डाल लिया है.
Yes, you are doing just labor work every single day. And again, see, no job is small or big. अगर आपका वो ड्रीम जॉब है, you keep doing it, no worries at all. But I am referring to students who are in those jobs but complaining about how they can't get anything else.
But at least आप पहले जो आपने बताया, I love it.
Yeah.
आप पहले एक शीट पे लिख लो.
Yeah.
Your present and your future.
Yeah.
How you want to see yourself.
Yeah.
उसके बाद if this job gets you there and it's if this is the thing that can lead you to there, yeah, and is your dream thing, then go on.
I have so many students working with me. नाम के हिसाब से redefine के साथ काम कर रहे हैं, right? But I tell them, then they, before leaving, they'll ask, can you give me a recommendation on LinkedIn? I said, absolutely not, right? Or I said, if you're open to a negative recommendation, I can give it to you right now. And I'll tell you why. I said, he's like, but I've been working with you 6 months. I said, okay, reflect back on the 6 months. What have you done? Right? Because sometimes I'll just let them be there to see कि are they realizing, oh, am I adding value or not? कि वो क्या करते हैं students? And I've seen a lot sometimes. बस नाम में ही खुश हैं, right? And when you ask them to reflect and come back, they're like, oh yeah, I haven't done. I said, ठीक है, अगर मैंने positive recommendation दे भी लिया, right? You go to another job to get, you say I worked 6 months in graphic designing. And you join their company. First day से they'll know you have done no work, right?
Oh yo, right? Within 2 hours.
Exactly.
Day भी नहीं लगेगा उनको.
वही.
Within an hour or two, they'll understand कि आपको क्या skill set आपके पास है.
वही.
And by that way, basically they will see कि किस कंपनी में उन्होंने पहले काम किया है, yeah, और उस कंपनी की क्वालिटी क्या है. So you're basically defaming your company.
Exactly. It compromises my credibility.
Exactly.
Right? Because they're like, अच्छा, but Redefine said they worked with them. So that's why I to never give recommendation if someone hasn't worked the right job, right? I'm like, sorry, if you want a negative one, I can definitely give you that.
many researchers have been working with us. So we have many units like Mug Theory, Mug Talks is this one. So in Mug Research, we have many researches going on. Different fields, marketing researches, medical researches. Many people just came in just for recommendations, just for this, internships, for the certificates and everything. But there are 2 or 3 researchers that I'm in love with their work. I'm in love with how they work. And even before asking, I'm going to recommend them.
Exactly.
And I'll try my best ki agar if I am not able to pay them as much they require, I have the right person and the right amount they wish.
Yeah, absolutely.
Because I personally can tell that person who is a CEO of other company, कि भाई, you need this type of job and here is a sample, have a look.
Yeah, I agree. Aboda, like, I had the same example not too long ago, I think 8 months ago or something. There was a student who was working with us, right? And kabhi students ka kya hota hai, as soon as they get access through our network to different employers, right, from different NGOs and startups, they'll want to work with them. I'm like, go work. You'll realize the real world out there, right? We are saving you from everything. So they started working, right? And one of them reached out, is like, oh Ritika, few of your people, like I see on LinkedIn, they're working with you, they've reached out, what do you say about them? I said, you see their work for yourself. I cannot vouch for them, to be honest, right? Because these were people who I wasn't very confident about at all. I didn't see any value in them because they hadn't brought any value to the organization. I didn't see any effort or anything. They joined, right? 1 महीने के बाद ही उनको निकाल दिया गया, right? क्योंकि क्या है?
Skill set नहीं है.
और like it goes back to that point that I'm saying ना, students एक opportunity मिलती है, कहते हैं मतलब easy है, फिर और ले लेंगे, right? Not realizing आप तो value ही नहीं दे रहे, आपका point क्या है ये सब करके, right? And when you don't have value, people are going to see it. They're going to see right through you. So I always say to people is, आप जो एक opportunity मिलती है ना, treat it also well, right? What you put in is what you get out, as simple as that. If you put in the effort, you will get effort out, right? If you put in the time, you will get time out, right? If you add value to me, make my life easy, make my organization's life easy, guess what? I will make sure I make your life easy. Right? You never even have to ask for it. And I've seen this, you'll see this transition also. Sometimes people will join in who are very, very good. And I had 1 or 2 people in my team who initially were like, wow man, they're so good. But over time, वो consistency of effort नहीं रहता. पता क्या होता है, तो जब तक वो trust build होने वाला था, they start compromising and it starts going down. And now you're no longer as invested, right, in going above and beyond to make things happen for them. But there are others as well who start low, but then they go so high. You're like, bhai, isko to main dila ke hi rahunga job, right? So that is, and I'll tell you, the people at that level, they will get a job. You don't even need to help them get a job. They will get a job because they are so good. So like, I think it's just, people just have to realize, right? One thing if I can leave anyone with is also to reflect and just think about, am I putting in what I need to be putting in every single day to be the person I want to be? And be honest with yourself. You don't have to answer that question to us or anyone. But I can guarantee you most people aren't. And the answer to that question for them will be a no. So if it is a no, why complain? Exactly. Why say I'm not getting it? You're not putting in what's needed, right? अगर आप effort पे ही focus नहीं कर पा रहे, outcome तो बहुत दूर की बात है, right? So and that's one main thing I've learned in life. Just focus on the effort. If there's something that's meant to be, will come to you irrespective.
Anyway,
it will definitely come. If you're meant to be successful in life, whether that be making $1 million, making $100 million, or impacting 100,000 people, you will definitely do that. As long as you just focus on putting in the work, it will come to you irrespective. And I think the day you realize that, you feel so satisfied. Like if you say, for the amount of effort I'm putting in, I feel very satisfied with where I am. I know I can do a lot more. I know there are so many more things I want to achieve, but I also know I'm not putting in 100% of what I need to be that person. Even though I may be working 14, 16 hours a day, doesn't matter. But to be that person, I know sometimes I need to be working at 18 hours, maybe at 110 level capacity.
Exactly.
Right? I know that's possible from me. Am I always putting that today? No. Right? That's why I know I'm not where I want to be. Right? But I know I can get there.
I say that thing usually.
Yeah.
I say that thing usually.
Yeah.
So, Ritika, such an amazing podcast. Thank you very much.
No, thank you so much.
ज़रूरी था स्टूडेंट्स के लिए कुछ चीज़ें जानना, और रिकमेंडेशंस क्यों नहीं मिलती ये जानना, कनेक्शंस मैसेज करने के बाद भी बिल्डअप क्यों नहीं होते ये जानना, नेटवर्किंग इवेंट्स पे $30 की टिकट लेके 1000 इवेंट्स में जाना और उसके बाद भी कुछ ना बनना, ये
Yeah.
जानना, these things were really important. And thank you for giving your time.
Yeah, no,
And
thank you.
I really feel Redefine will do something.
We hope to.
कुछ वो अचीव हो जाएगा जो आपका मोटिव है, जो आपका गोल है. And wherever Mug Talks can help, again,
Yeah.
we are all open.
No, absolutely. And the same thing is here, right?
Yeah.
Any way in which we can support, right? We
For
have
sure.
a network, anywhere which we can entertain our students as well,
Exactly.
right? Why not? So, absolutely.
Great. I'll go to the end of the podcast
Yeah.
with one question.
Yeah.
सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट, नेटवर्किंग भी हो गया, रिज्यूमे बिल्डिंग हो गया,
Yeah.
सब कुछ हो गया, बट सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है आपका माइंडसेट चेंज होना.
Yes.
वो स्पार्क आप में एक रात आएगा, अगले दिन से आप नेक्स्ट पर्सनालिटी बन जाओगे, राइट? ऐसा ही होता है, बट आई फील, बट वो स्पार्क कैसे आएगा, वो कब आया आप में, और वो स्पार्क कैसे आएगा?
I think वो spark मेरे में तब आया जिस दिन, when I was working at my part-time place, and I remember one day expressing to, my colleagues at that point that, oh, I want to start a company of my own. I want to help other students. And I know there was a silence for 1 minute, and everyone started laughing, right? Oh, you will start. And I remember my manager at that time, very bad, toxic managers, one of those. And he was like, I'm your boss. If I couldn't start my own, how can you think of even starting, right? And I remember even him making a comment. He's like, what you're doing today is what this is what your people do, right? This
was a racist comment.
Yeah, like racism or whatever you want to call it.
This
but
is racism.
But he is also from, he's not from here either, right? And he made that comment, and at that time I was like, I remember crying initially, obviously a lot, right? And I remember talking to my mom, and she told me, Ritika, how can you let someone else dictate who you can become or not, right? And that's the day I was like, wait a second, that is so true. I have been living my last entire year doing what people told me I should be doing, or listening to the people stereotypically in those roles above me, right? And trusting what they thought I could be or could not be. I was like, but I have the pen, I have the book, all I gotta do is write. Why am I not writing? Why am I letting the other person go write in my book when it's mine in the first place, right? So I think for me, the biggest realization was, wow, we are the writers of our own story. Why do we let others write and dictate the story for us, right?
I think these incidents happen with students or everyone very often.
Yeah.
Just we are not open enough. Our minds are not open enough to realize that this might be a spark. We need to have enough time to understand, to grasp that, think about it, and again redefine ourselves.
Yeah, absolutely. That's why the name of our organization, because through those comments I realized, how can someone else define me? So the whole point was helping immigrants and newcomers redefine themselves and their capabilities and the kind of opportunities that they can get access to, right? ताकि no one thinks कि जो तारे भी है ना आसमान में, हम वो भी लेके आ सकते हैं. People need to believe that, they need to know that they can do it, because only when they know they can they actually do it, right? So the biggest barrier initially is self-belief. The day you can empower people enough that they start believing in themselves, you have done 80% of the work. The rest 20 will happen, right? But it needs to start with self-belief, because if you're believing in yourself, you will put in the work. If you put in the work, you will be more motivated to do better, because you will see progress. And when you see progress, that drives people, right? So I feel like it is that connected loop. So I think for me, if I can even whether it be through this podcast or anything I do in life, even just motivate even one person to be like, you know what? Let me start giving it my 100%. Let me see what happens then, right? Or inspire them to actually start doing what they've always wanted to do. I think my job in this world is done.
Yeah.
Yes.
This is what simply I say, that I don't know who will watch the podcast, who will not, but my work is I love talking to people. I love knowing their perspective.
Yeah.
And why not to record it and give it away?
Why not share it with more, right? We live in a world where the two of us, there's no value in just us sharing.
Exactly.
Let's share it with so many more.
So
exactly.
If this conversation can be a spark for someone, and someone can remember that, yaar, ye to mere saath kal hua tha. And this has to be a point where I have to redefine.
Yes. Yeah.
And I think with the humble request, if someone reaches out to you or to me or to anyone with a message, I need your 5 minutes. Whenever you have, after 1 month, after 5 days, anytime,
Yeah.
I just need your 5 minutes to talk, and I want to discuss something
Yeah.
that is really important for me.
Yeah.
I think you will give it. I think
Yes.
anyone will give it.
Yes. Absolutely. Yeah.
So let's redefine.
Yes. Let's redefine together. Why not? Yeah.
Thank you very much.
No,
Thanks a
thank
lot
you.
for coming.
No, thank
you
you so
very
much. I appreciate you bringing me on board as well and for the opportunity.